This video will demonstrate using asset tags in the Qualys Vulnerability Management application to complete scanning and reporting tasks. We'll begin with using asset tags as scanning targets. Here under the Scans tab, I'll click the New button to launch a new scan. My scan title, option profile, and scanner appliance have already been configured, so we can focus our attention on choosing a scan target. To use one or more asset tags as my scan target, I'll select the Tags Radio button and click the Add Tag link. If I already know the name of my tag, I can enter it here in the search field. Or I can click the Browse Tags icon to view the search field along with an expandable asset tag tree. The benefit of a nested tag structure is demonstrated best in the operating system's hierarchy. A scan that targets a parent tag like Operating System or Windows will automatically target its child tags. If the Windows tag is your scan target, the Windows Desktop and Windows Server tags are included by default. To target a broader scope of host assets, select asset tags near the top of the asset tag hierarchy. For a more focused scan, select tags near the bottom. Expanding the location hierarchy, I'll demonstrate the process of combining multiple tags as your scan target. Suppose you want to run a scan that targets Windows servers in San Jose. Accomplishing this task requires one tag from the location hierarchy, San Jose, and another tag from the operating system hierarchy, Windows Server. When more than one tag is selected as a target, the operator you select will determine how each tag is evaluated. The Any operator will target any host asset that has either the San Jose or the Windows Server tag. The All operator will only target host assets that have both the San Jose and the Windows Server tags. The Any operator is the Boolean or equivalent. The All operator is the Boolean and equivalent. When using asset tags as your target, you also have the option of selecting one or more tags to exclude specific assets from your scan. By default, the IP addresses of agent host assets will not appear as part of your scanning subscription. The option to temporarily add agent addresses to your scanning subscription will appear if you install Qualys Cloud Agent on a host, and it will allow you to include agent host assets in your list of scanning targets. With the appropriate target selected, I'll click the Launch button. My scan is now queued and will begin running in just a few moments. When creating any type of report, asset tags once again provide good options for the report source. This patch report will be created for all San Jose hosts, but will exclude inactive hosts, hosts with the inactive tag, until the inactive assets can be investigated to determine their operational status. This is a popular technique to prevent retired or suspect assets from appearing in your reports. Thank you for watching this Qualys training video.